In order to maintain the clearest water possible in our pool, we utilize the best clear system. We are walking towards the equipment area right now. The equipment consists here, we have a heater, but then we have the filter located here in the corner, and then the sediment tank is located over in the far corner over there. The filtering system will do a backwash cycle. The water that's in the sediment tank, put it through the filter back into the pool, and then backwash the filter and put that backwash water back into the sediment tank. This way we're not putting any water down the drain. We've had the system for 2 years. We've only had to clean the sediment tank twice. We love our system. Works great. Thank you.